In this video, we are going to look on how to buy and sell Solana meme coins on Bullx. First, open up your Bullx account, and before buying any coin, make sure you have Solana in your Bullx wallet. On the left side, click on Chain and uncheck any other networks and just keep Solana network checked. Click on Start Trading. Now you will get only the meme coins which are trading on the Solana network. You can either choose any meme coin from the screen or search the desired coin like this. Once you choose the meme coin you want to buy, click on it. You will get something like this on your screen. This is the chart pattern of the coin, and these are the tools by which you can execute your buy and sell order. To buy any cryptocurrency, you have two options. First option is market order and the other is limit order. If you choose market order, then you will purchase your crypto according to its current trading price or last trading price. In short, the order gets immediately executed and you will get your crypto. If you choose limit order, then you are able to set a price range in which you wish to purchase the crypto. Once the coin reaches your price, the order gets executed. For example, like this. Set your price and the amount of crypto you want to purchase and click on Buy. To sell the crypto coin, the method is same. You either choose market order or limit order. Your executed orders will appear in the Orders tab. Just note, whenever you buy or sell crypto, you have to pay gas fee. It is a fee which is given to the network to help execute your orders. I hope this helps you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.